Question 3 of the WASSCE 2019 Mathematics Past Question. It said solve this. So we have here y plus 1 divided by 2 minus 2y minus 1 divided by 3 equal to 4. So we have to solve this, okay? It's like algebraic fractions. I hope you remember this in your maths. Okay, so from here, we have an LCM. This is 2, this is 2. So this is 2, this is 3. What's the LCM of 2 and 3? That will give us what? 6. Okay, so how many times will 2 go in 6? To go 3 times. So we have 3 multiplying everything here. So we have 3 bracket what? Y plus 1 minus, how many times will 3 go in 6? That's 2 times. 2 will multiply everything here. So we have 2 bracket what? 2y minus 1, okay, equal to 4. So from here, we can take this 6 up here. So, and also open up this bracket. Let's do this at the same time. Take this 6 up. That's 6 times 4 will give us what? A 24. All right, and let us open up this bracket. 3 times 3 y, it will give us what? 3y, and 3 times 1 plus 3 minus 2 times 2y will give us what? 4y, and minus 2 times minus 1 will give us what? A plus 2. Okay, so from here, what do we have? We have, let's pick like terms. We have 3y minus 4y. This 3 plus 2 will give us what? Plus 5, equal to what? 24. Let's take this 5 to this side. And what is 3y minus 4y? That will give us what? A minus what? Y. Is that not it? Equal to, taking 5 here, we have 24 minus a positive going to this side will give us what? A minus 5. And what is 24 minus 5? That will give us what? A what? 19, a positive 19. So we have here minus y is equal to what? 19, where y, if you divide both sides by minus, okay, a minus divided by a minus 1, so y, this will cancel out, and y is equal to what? A minus what? 19, a negative 19. So this is our answer. Okay, I can just simply just say, if you have something like minus y equal to 19, it's simply y is equal to what? Minus 19. But for just to clarify why it is y minus 19, you just divide both sides by a minus negative 1, so that this negative can cancel out from your y, okay, and it would be here. All right, so our answer is what? A negative what? 19. All right, and our right option here is option B.